So my new products came in. We're in the car, so we're gonna do a car reveal. These aren't like super new, but they're revisions of my old products, and I'm really excited. These are samples. They're acrylic, so they have the protective film over them. I'll remove them at some other point. They're so cute. So here's a comparison. I decided to go for a softer color palette and my updated art style, and I decided to go a little more simple with it. I'm a lot happier with these. This one, yeah, did have the holographic shatter. I decided to just go simple with these, and I changed the hue ring on it because I had a few customers who were like cis men who were like, hey, can you change this? And I was like, no. And then they didn't buy it, so I was like, maybe I'll just make it simple for now. Came out super cute. Sorry about my nails. I haven't had time to do them. I'm so happy with how these came out. I got them done at Vogue Grace. I'll tag them in this so you can go to their account themselves and order your own. It's really simple. This isn't sponsored, by the way. I just love this company so much. I'm so happy with how they came out. My old one versus my new one. This is before I knew what the hell I was doing, and this is after. I'm just super happy. Thanks for watching.